Toenail fungus or onychomycosis is a common issue affecting many people. It shows up as inflammation, swelling, yellowing, thickening, or crumbling of the toenail. Factors like high skin acidity, weak immunity, damp conditions, poor hygiene, and diabetes can encourage its growth. If left untreated, it can cause cracking, splitting, and even complete loss of the nail. Luckily, you can treat toenail fungus at home using simple remedies within 1 to 2 months. 1. Apple cider vinegar. The acidic nature of apple cider vinegar prevents fungal spread and kills bacteria. How to use: mix equal parts vinegar and water. Soak your toenail for 30 minutes daily, then dry thoroughly. 2. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil's antifungal properties make it effective for infections. How to use: mix a few drops with a teaspoon of olive or coconut oil. Apply using a cotton ball. Leave for 10 minutes, then scrub gently. Repeat 2 to 3 times daily. 3. Baking soda. Baking soda neutralizes odors and fights fungus. How to use: mix 1/2 cup baking soda, 1/4 cup hydrogen peroxide, 1/2 cup Epsom salt, and 1/4 cup white vinegar in 4 cups of water. Soak your toenail for 10 minutes, rinse and dry. Do this twice daily. 4. White vinegar. White vinegar restores skin pH and fights fungi. How to use: mix 1 part vinegar with 2 parts warm water. Soak for 15 minutes, rinse and dry. If it irritates your skin, dilute further and use every other day. 5. Oil of oregano. This oil's antifungal and antibacterial properties treat infections effectively. How to use: mix 2 drops with a teaspoon of olive oil. Apply. Leave for 30 minutes. Rinse and dry. Use 1 to 2 times daily for 3 weeks. 6. Listerine mouthwash. The antiseptic and alcohol and listerine combat fungi. How to use: soak your toenail in pure listerine or a mix with white vinegar for 30 minutes. Rinse, scrub gently, and dry. Repeat daily. 7. Garlic. Garlic contains antifungal compounds like allicin. How to use: mix garlic oil with white vinegar, apply to the nail, and cover with a bandage. Leave for a few hours and repeat daily. Final tips: consistency is key. Use these remedies for at least 1 to 2 months and maintain proper foot hygiene to prevent recurrence.